But bull. Hey, good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, welcome and feel free to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. On today's video is a super special video guys. I'm coming live and clear from my beautiful home over here, and also on this other side I'm coming from my little kitchen farm around here, in which I want to be giving you a quick tour of how our veggies have been doing. But yeah, and then we'll be taking you to our dreamland, where we also started planting our kitchen garden and also preparing for more and more agribusiness stuffs. So feel free to welcome and also subscribe. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Ensure guys, you subscribe today. If you subscribe today, you'll add that number, and when you add that number, the algorithm English, that word is very hard. Algorithm. Yes, the algorithm will read, and it will just show you that, oh, we have already reached maybe 25,000 or 26,000 subscribers. And thank you so much for 24,000 plus subscribers, for really coming back and subscribe, support this village boy. I really appreciate your love and support. Now for today, make sure friend, that everything is good and everything is nice. So you see our sukuma wiki, they have started taking out their leaves, and this is how you see it. You know, right now every neighbor around us have tried their chicken, and now this is what you see. So this side, this land is not as dirty as the other one on the other side, where I've just planted what we call like sukuma wiki and some watermelons, the guavas, but the guavas haven't yet, you know, showed up the way it is. Yeah, so for the new subscribers, we have a kitchen garden that we started just some few days ago, and this is how you see it. It has really done a magic over here. Having some these are the nightshade that we planted long time ago. Now they have become some are drying up, some have done really nice and very well. As you see, the sukuma wikis are really doing great. Wow, this is a really a nice you know, picture that is really showing up, despite that others who have been eaten by the chicken, but these ones they're really doing great. Look guys, so it's only that I'll just come and start weeding. It's not only this place, but I'll also show you where they are more and more. So ensure subscribe and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Look at this. These ones are really healthy, very healthy. You know, there's different species of these scales or sukuma wikis. So there are those ones that you buy in the shop, and you plant them for just, and they are done one season and you are done. But these can take you for lifetime. They can even go for 10 years, this kind of kales, because they have some suckers. So this is the mother plant, but this mother plant brings this out. Now you can just go take this out and replant it, you know, with those type of seedlings that you don't have to have the seedlings but the suckers. For those who did agriculture, I love to know that kind of process, where you don't buy seeds. You just like these bananas, you don't need of you buying seeds. The more the mother plant is, it brings some more suckers. So you instead of buying seeds, you just replant. So all the way side, we planted actually over over 500 seedlings, over 500 seedlings of sukuma wiki, over 500 seedlings of sukuma wiki. And yeah, everybody's around today. Just want to show you what's happening, and then also show you how grandma she's faring on. You see on this other end, guys, they are doing really nice. This is impressive, very, 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 very impressive. You see, we have these ones over here, we have another one over here. They're just coming up like no man's business. Look, this one over here, we have another one over here, another one over here. So actually at this piece of land, I want to plant also some dragon fruit. I was replanting some dragon fruit. I check if they'll do well, and for sure it has been almost 3 to 4 months of them shooting up. So also we have some dragon fruits. I want to just put them here where they are visible, because they have started doing what you call like shooting. So, and you know, if you don't take care of that dragon fruit, it will just keep on making some steps, and you'll end up not having what you call like your end product that you wanted. So I have them here. I planted them in some tins, and yeah. So today your village boy have really become a very great agriculture boy. See over here we have this kind of sukuma wiki, also another one over there, very nice and great. So I want to just come and plant one here, another one should be there, another one there, so that yeah. Also I'd love to see your comment down below. How do you people prepare what you call like the dragon fruits, how they are, how they look like? You know, I've been watching several videos about dragon fruit, and I was like, man, it's good also for me to have some dragon fruit, because they are very rare in this village. Nobody has some dragon fruit, so it's very good also for me to do what you call like have that to plant that dragon fruit. Yeah, I'm here with my young brother Manu. Hey Manu.
Yes.
Say hi, man.
Hi everyone.
Yes.
Welcome back to Claude YouTube channel. So when you're there, subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment.
How is your morning?
Morning's fine. Yeah, I'm from washing the clothes. And now I want to like do the cleaning outside here.
Okay.
Yeah, clean the compound.
Alright guys. Yeah, this is my young brother Manu Claude. Please ensure you subscribe, show him some love, and really appreciate. And also there's some cleaning of Bibi's house. We have been doing, you know, yeah, so we have been cleaning Bibi's house. You know, it's always to be clean. So you see, it's clean, very, very nice. You know, nowadays she doesn't use this kind of clutches. I usually carry her from her bed. I carry her from her bed, the other side, from here outside. Like now, I've just changed her some these are the gloves that we always use, always. Even like now, you see there's some powder like of the gloves. Yeah, I had from changing the pads, the diapers, premium diapers. Oh man, they're almost over. Yeah, the premium diapers. This one is for her, the gel for the hand, for the leg I mean. And yeah, so it's always clean. You know, as a diabetic person, we always have to keep the hygiene high. You know, the moment even a scratch of maybe her stepping down, in which she doesn't like shoes. That's one thing you don't know. Bibi doesn't like shoes, so I always make sure that I bought her several shoes, and when a friend comes, she gives them out. Like this one. These are the that she was given, actually a friend of mine, and thank you so much, Mama. This was from Florida, by Miss Pinky. She sent her these shoes and some of this was long time ago, like last year. You can check. Bibi has never stepped. She has been using them only maybe once or twice, and then she just put them up here, you know. So I told her once, if one day you decide to give out these shoes, you know that me and you, we are done, you know, because the shoes that I bought her look like these ones. These are plastic shoes. These are some of the plastic shoes that she always loved to put on, but nowadays she doesn't put on. You see, they are really new, very new. She put them once, and then she's like, okay, I bought her some sandals. So yeah, but anyway, that's how part of life is. So I need to understand her mostly some of the time, how she's doing. So also here we have some seats. They are very clean, very clean. I always, sometimes when she's outside, when she's tired of being in the bed, I bring her here. And one way of us preventing it, maybe some days somebody else can use them. We prevented them from maybe her urinating to it, or maybe dirty, making them dirty. We use the leather, called leather covers. So these ones we always wipe them. Yeah, it's clean ongoing. Yeah, so it's clean up ongoing. But I just wanted to pass her here to just show you what's happening, and also for her to just say hi. Hey, how you doing? Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Eh,
Salimia watu, wambie hi. Hey, salimia watu, wambie hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Simama wima basi, hivi. Hey, hivyo. Salimia hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah guys, nowadays her vibe is really different. Her vibe is really different. Not those days back. Not like Wagoro. Days back when not like those days back when she used to be very happy about maybe me taking a camera. And also for those who have never seen grandma, here she is right now. She's not in a good condition right now, but I'm really improving her to get her better. Like now she's even much better like than the way I got her when we traveled back, because she wasn't in a good condition. Right now she can't walk. Zakaria amefanya nini bibi?
Zakaria.
Hey.
Njoo.
So alright guys, let me go and show you how we'll be planting the dragon fruit, okay? Have to have the 2 white chapatis for Bibi and her porridge. You know, nowadays she takes what you call like this kind of porridge. We call it sorghum porridge, finger millet porridge, and some white chapatis for her, you know. Yeah, now from here I'll just boil some moringa for her. I always have moringa here, so this is moringa. I just boil water and mix moringa for her better, you know. Yeah, after eating, you know, so that she can improve, because moringa has really helped me for regaining her strength back a little bit, because she was very weak by that time. But anyway, let's give her breakfast, then we see. All right, before that I always use this compost manure. These is pure from goats and chicken, as you see. It's a very pure one for me to use it for the kales, and also yeah, for land, despite that going buying what you call like the fertilizers from the shop or from the agrovet. I always use this kind of, that's why you see they come up very nicely, you know. So by having this, I'll spread them using the jembe, so putting them in there. We always sweep in the morning for the from the goats, so we take them to the land, and that's how you see our sukuma wiki is coming out nicely without any fertilizer, but this one from goats. So say it's a mutual benefit. Sometimes you give you create shelter for the goats or animals, and the animals, when they shit, you use that as manure, you know. So it's benefit. That's also part of agriculture, you know. Yes, very nice. Come with me. So I'll just come put it, just spread it like this. Put another one in the middle. So when I'll be digging it or weeding, I just spread it using the gem. You know, that's agriculture. welcome, and our sukuma wiki is really doing pretty nice and great. So this is the pure manure, guys. Instead of buying maybe the DAP, the CN, this one is permanent here, and it gives the sukuma wiki the greatest nutrients ever. Just like that. So the moment you see this one, in a few weeks I'll be updating you also, as big as this, you see. All right, so guys, I'm done with that, and ahead there and show you my dragon fruits. Actually, I've been struggling with them up to now. I was almost even forgetting them. They're here. Oh my god. So for those who are the agricultures of the dragon fruits, please let me know, how do you see them? Like this one, I just go plant it, replant it. I planted them using these kind of canes long time ago. So for now, for me to transplant them from here to somewhere where it's very nice, like that. Another one is here. This one have really motivated me. So you see, like this one. So this one, I think I'm going to cut up this. Oh, this is a fruit. Is this a fruit, guys? Let me know. Is this a fruit? These are dragon fruits. So they are very, very expensively. So I bought this some seedlings from somewhere, and then this one I'm just going to cut it. You see, it has already roots. Just to cut it and then replant it, and this one to cut it so I can leave this one to shoot straight. Also this one, I want it to be as straight as this one. See, this one is already straight up. Yeah, let's go. Also having a jembe like this, having my wooden tree. So this one I'm going to make a very big hole like that. Yes, so ready for replanting. I'm just trying to avoid this one so that they cannot so that they can avoid what we call like so this one, some days I'll be planting them on our dreamland, because over here I'll not like to see somebody coming and stealing my dragon fruit. I'm not around. So it's better for me to transplant them to our dreamland there. Yeah, but let me plant them over here, because right here, so it's better I replant them. One, I'll plant it over here, another one over there, so that they can grow big. At that time, Let me prepare the land. Come, Marine. And plant one here, right?
Yes.
And plant one here, Manu. Over here. I make a very big hole. So this one, I'll put inside here a very big stick, right?
Yes.
It's a stick or a pole, a very big pole. A pole like this one. Put up a pole like this.
Does those fruits go far?
Eh?
Does those fruits go far?
Yeah, they go up.
Oh.
So I put here like this, and then they go up. You know, they do what you call like they coil.
Oh.
They have some, so you have to support them. So just like that, just like that. So they always go up. Some usually use concrete. Some usually use concrete to make it permanent. Like me, I've done it temporary because I know some days I'll transplant them like this, and then the fruit itself now you plant it here, like here. So when you plant the fruit like here, yeah. Let me show you guys an example of it. So for a dragon fruit like this one, I've just tried to take it from in here. You already it has some roots. See, already it has some roots. It has some roots. So I'll make a very big hole on this other side like this.
I haven't ever seen a fruit like this.
Yeah, this is a very expensive fruit, man. Called dragon fruit. It's called dragon fruit. So you plant it like this. It's called dragon fruit. So when it grows up, it grows upwards. I don't know, I've been learning about others, so just support this so that it will grow coming towards this, you know. So just tie it a little bit and then tie it towards this so that it can grow straight. When this other one come, to grow towards this, you know. Yeah. Wow. Just like that. Like that. Again. Like that. So Manu, this we are planting here, you know, it's very expensive. One day when you'll be selling one dragon fruit, it's over 200 Kenyan shillings, one fruit. So just like that. And then another one we shoot from here. So we'll be using some wires. And then here we come tie some maybe a tire or something, then she'll be spreading all of it. So another one is supposed to be there. You know, we have remained with 3 of them. 4.
This place doesn't have fertilizer, so I've
See?
done somewhere here. Yeah.
Another one here. You know, dragon, they need a lot of care.
No. You see, there is fertilizer there.
There's a lot of fertilizer here, right?
Yes.
Just like that. Wow. Just like that. I knew I'd be looking for and there's that crow, guys. It has been crying there for a couple of days right now. I don't know. Is there any sign of a crow like that? It has been told that in an African way, when a crow cries near your home, it brings some bad omen. Others say when it cries near your home, it brings this. You want to pass a message, and sometimes it's a good message. Others say it's a bad message. So with me, I'm avoiding to chase it away. Maybe it's good luck, you know. So scientifically, they say it's good luck, and others, when I Google, it says it's good luck. Others say it's bad luck. But let me know in the comment section when a crow crows around your compound. Should you chase it away or leave it away? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, what's that? What's that? I want to measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half. So here in the middle. Yeah. I have to balance so that I can cut this equally. Okay. I have this one here and another one here. This one should go down. Just like that. Yes. And then just like that. Plant my dragon fruit. Let me bring the dragon fruit itself, okay? So should I plant this one that way, guys, or should I leave it? Should I, because this one has already started shooting up, should I cut and plant this, or should I leave it as it goes up? Okay? Just like that. Then I plant it here. That's the dragon fruit. For those who don't know what a dragon fruit is, this one is a dragon fruit. This one. So just deal with it that way. There's some manure fertilizer like this, like this, like this, like that. So this one, I want to tie it so that it can grow upwards like this. I want to tie it there so that it can grow upwards up that point. You know? So you know when it reaches up, it starts to do what we call like to leave the flowers to fall down. So yeah. Good. Yeah. So here we have the pink one, red, yeah, something like that. You know, you have different species of dragon fruits. So like this one, dragon fruit support, like this. Just leave like that one, like that way, and it will be better. Just supporting it slowly. Hopefully, I believe my hope is bigger. You know, my hope is bigger for this, that they'll do well, even if some days I'll not be around. My children or my family will have to enjoy this. Even you, if you come from all the way, maybe from abroad, you want to have a taste of dragon fruit, we have them here ready. So let me tie this one. Already as I see it, they have started to bring some hope. This one is giving me a very better hope. This one, hopefully they'll grow well and do very much better, as I expect better yields. You know? Better yields of this one. And also, if you know how to grow this, please comment down below. If I'm doing it wrongly, you can advise me at the comment section, then I can change. You know, the good thing, these ones, they are better. You can change even it right now. So if I'm doing it wrongly, please advise me. So there's this one that I want to grow it somewhere. It's kind of small. I think I can change it to the other side also. You know, you see how it is, how it has been growing. You know, how to put it behind this. See, really, I don't know, somebody stepped on it, so it really changed its shape. So I have to grow it behind this. You know? The dragon fruit, dragon fruit, no joke. It's very delicate. Just like that. Support it a little bit with a lot of soil, like that. Then hopefully you'll do better than this. Okay. Right. So like that. Just return the sukuma wiki like this. If you want to do some weeding, you weed a little bit, just like that. Okay, so just weed like this. And also I'm going to take you to our dreamland, where also I've been weeding and planting some sukuma wiki, just like this. So like this, slowly. You have to weed very carefully. You know? Weed carefully. Weeding our sukuma wiki. And planting some dragon fruit. Just like that. Slowly, slowly. And the sukuma wiki keep on doing well and good. Also this side, I also avoid this side because it has a pipe downwards. We should avoid it. Just weed slow for your sukuma wiki. for better yields. Right, this is how I'm opening my gate. Yeah, opening my gate like that, slowly, huh? And then I'm good to go. So, also you see this kind of sukuma wiki, they have done a very nice good job. Look, you know, over here also nice, you know. The sukuma wiki is just laughing itself. The sukuma is laughing. Look, the sukuma wiki is really laughing. You know, a very great job, well done. Look at this, amazing. So I think I'll come and start doing what we call like weeding. Also this other side, it has been weeded, so it's ready to plant another. Maybe it can be nightshade. You see, it can be nightshade, or I can just try plant here maybe sorghum or anything else. This is how you see it. And wow, unfortunately our beautiful watermelons have started coming out. Look, yeah, amazing, man, amazing. Look, already, all the way. Another one is here. Look, our watermelons have really done a great job. Look, man, every day I'll be coming here to say good morning. Look, all the way. And that's my long lost brother there. I came with him.
Guys, it's Mugen the dreamer, you know?
Yeah.
They lost the kid,
Yeah.
they lost the brother. Yeah,
But today,
so guys, what's up guys?
you
Welcome
see him
back to
well,
Claude
guys?
YouTube channel. If you're first time here, consider subscribing, liking and sharing the video. Right here guys, this is Mugen the dreamer, although I have been not seen in like such videos like this, but today I'm here on camera once again. So I go by the name Mugen the dreamer. Right here we came to visit Claude Joseph shamba here, and you know the last time I came here there were nothing like this. It was like the other side there, it was greenish
Like that.
but today I have come here. I'm really shocked guys, because I think this is Nyabirondo.
No, those are watermelons.
You know Nyabirondo guys, this is pumpkin.
They're not
I thought
pumpkins.
they're pumpkins, you know.
Yeah, they usually grow like pumpkins,
Yeah.
but they're not pumpkins.
But I heard Claude Joseph said like saying that watermelon. So guys, watermelon is only 3 months. I'll be coming here. And as you know, I like eating.
These are for commercial. You want to come and eat my...
So I'll be coming here. When I come to visit, I go check the one that is like small. Then we taste. You know, for farmers, you must taste first.
Yeah,
If it is sweet,
yes.
now when you take it to the market, hey, now everyone is, yo, it's sweet. Even me, I tasted it first. It's very sweet.
You see, like this one already taking out the third leaf, which is very good, guys. Wow, they have really shoot very well all the way. And this is my brother.
Yeah, so
He's my brother.
I came with from down there.
Yeah, Mogedi the dream.
You know, I came last. It was like last week.
Yes.
Then I sowed the sukuma wiki. It's only the whole gunia of sukuma wiki. We planted only this place.
No,
and I said it's like he gave out the others.
No,
so,
I never gave out. I
you
just
get-
brought on this other land.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, his question, because when I went to Charlie B's place, come
Yeah.
this side. When I went to Charlie B's place, he actually gave me a lot of suckers, sukuma wiki suckers.
Yeah.
So he was asking, hey, did he only plant at home, just that small portion? No,
Yeah.
I brought some over here, and they're really doing very good, as you see.
Yes,
Yeah.
they're very like charming.
They're charming.
Yeah.
Finally, guys, he's here. The long
I'm
lost,
here, guys.
the long lost brother.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Don't miss me.
yeah. So we are here, guys, and this is what you see all around. I'm so much happy. Look, you know, I'm very much happy. It's only that now we are waiting for more rain.
Yeah.
Now here, I need more rain. I need more rain. I need more rain, because you see now, also the sukuma wiki, they have come, and also the cabbages, they're really doing great job. It's only that he applied the top layer on top of those cabbages. That's why you see we just remain with some couple of weeks, and it will be ready to be harvested. Look,
Cabbage.
yeah, the cabbages.
Have you ever eaten like a kachumbari, cabbage kachumbari?
It's called salad. Salad.
You know English, guys. Salad. Yes,
Salad.
But here in Korea, we know it like kachumbari. When you go to like anyone's party around here, then you ask them, where is the salad? They look like this. But you just ask, where is the kachumbari? In a half a second, kachumbari is
Kachumbari is there. Careful, man. You know where your land, your leg is landed.
My leg is very big, like my nose is big.
Be very careful, like, you know, when you are stepping, look down. Look also here.
Step. But you know, the funny thing is, in these African like shambas, when you plant something like this, we have the copy weeds. They look alike.
Oh, the copy weeds.
Yeah.
They look alike. You
They
think
look
that?
alike.
Oh.
One day I planted same watermelon at the home there. So I thought it's watermelon, guys.
It was a weed.
After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I'm waiting for the fruits. I got something that they call it. They like our grandfather used to wash their self with it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, they're called wash the bathing towels.
Yeah.
So it looks like that. Oh man.
So when you see this,
No, me, I know that I planted some watermelons, not those ones, because I bought it from the shop. Then I can, from the agrovet, I mean. So guys, they are really doing good and great. So maybe tomorrow or in the other video, just come start weeding on this other side, because you see already the grass, and then we remove everything, you know.
So soon you will be seeing me coming here with spraying mbolea.
Yeah, we spray.
You know, nowadays, guys, we have like liquid fertilizers.
They call it mbolea safi.
Yeah, liquid fertilizers. When you spray on like on top of the leaves, hey, after 2 days, 3 days, hey, guys, you come and see the flowers are very big.
The watermelons have really grown big. Yeah, guys, so that's how it's going to be. And actually, because now as I've planted this over here, I'll need a top security, so I'm really planning maybe to have maybe a galvanized structure over here, where even if I'll be coming a time like now, I can cook, I can stay. Even if when there's sometimes drama at home, I can just find peace over here. So I'm planning to see, not just near here, but up there. I want to put a structure, small structure. Maybe it can be, yeah, it's called shamba. It's called
when I come here, you know, it's like right now it's very sunny, and after weeding, you see like my stomach is like starting like going low battery. So you go pick their sukuma wiki, you go to your shamba shade, you cook. You know, yeah.
Alright guys, there's just a small shamba shade structure, and he called it shamba shade. It can be maybe starting from here.
Full suit mabati.
Full suit mabati.
Yeah. So, you know, they have a lot of names. Full suit mabati.
Can it be just this way? Because
only like a small this way. Then
from
you put only two doors.
Yes.
The doors that the one door is for keeping majembes, like a store.
Okay.
A store structure. Then the others, you put them in a plastic chair. When you feel like I'm feeling dizzy, you sleep there.
Got a plastic chair. That would be very nice. So actually starting from here, it can be a very good thing. This way up to that point, up to this point. and then it will be very better. Yes, Nyoi, that is Nyoi.
Yeah, no, guys,
He calls himself African BN.
Korean BN.
Korean BN. Yeah, guys, that's how we are doing it. And yeah, introduce yourself again and give yourself a last shout out.
Yeah, guys. Once again, this is Mugende Dreamer, guys. Here you are coming live from Claude YouTube channel, guys, and he's my brother. As you can see from the heads. You know, in our family we go copy with heads, but the body different. Heads one. So guys, can go check me on my YouTube channel. Although my YouTube channel is like.
By the way, how is your YouTube channel taking?
My YouTube
you know,
channel.
most people don't usually ask me why you. They also ask me why did your YouTube? Why is
you know what happened with my YouTube channel, guys? You know me, I used to have traveling. So I went to Tanzania. After I went to Tanzania, I went to Mwanza. You know, Mwanza, they have a lot of people there. So I was like moving around talking with someone to give me direction. At that time, I used to pick there clothes, you know, because me, I have a lot of people down there. They have like not in town, they have like shops. So they send me because they are Kenyans, but me, you know, I have dual citizenship. So I went to Tanzania to pick for them the clothes. They come and sell here in their shops. So and that time they give me ganji. You know ganji, guys?
The tip.
Yeah. So at that time I went like talking this way. Unfortunately, someone snagged my phone
and then it went
and ran away with it. And remember that phone was including like the emails and the line that I used to create the email. So after that, I came back home
without a phone.
So I tried. I bought another phone. Now the funny thing is the funny thing is to take the email back to this. I have new phone, guys. This one.
So you want to have a new email inside again.
So I decided I tried to recover the email, but now the email they're asking me for the two-way verification. And you know me.
Why didn't you put the two-way verification when
you know the line that stolen with that phone? I have not yet replaced it.
So go replace it and then.
So I'll try to go replace it and bring now the verification code. Now guys, you will be seeing me, and I have a lot of things. I have arranged them like this.
Wait, this is Mugende the Dreamer. Yeah. I think it's the dreaming. How can you leave? How can you leave your channel and then that way, man? You have to replace that line as soon as possible.
Yeah. So
okay, guys, he has really answered your question, because most people have been also on my neck like, where is your brother? Where is your young brother? And here he is today, and he has really explained what is really needed. Yeah, so to avoid this water, you know, there's water that runs.
I think the time that you are bringing here materials, they were like a rainy season. So that time the heavy trucks were like balancing, trying to enter here. So they were like doing it like some
having the tires were going inside,
yeah, so the tires were going inside. After that we forgot to
place
tengeneza ka mtaro there. How do you call mtaro? Naro?
Maybe we make a furrow.
Yeah, a small furrow on the other side, so that when the water comes,
all trench
to the river. You know, we have river down here.
Yeah,
so
down here. Yeah.
We can come and direct the water. Then here we can come. You see this side here, it's like a
hip.
So we'll be like digging there. We bring it here so that it can be level, because you know we want to have a better gate here. Yeah. So we're going to
let's wait and see, guys. Actually, because I want to replace also this gate and everything, make the home, and it should be better. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Be blessed, and let's see you on our next video. Bye. See you guys.